If you've ever wondered whether love is real, whether it lasts, and whether it can truly transform a life, stay with me, because today I'm giving you 10 proofs that real love doesn't just exist, it changes everything. You know, sometimes we walk through life wondering if real love is still out there. And I get it. Pain has a way of blinding our hope. Disappointment has a way of muting our belief. But today, I want you to hear me clearly. Real love is not a fantasy. Real love leaves evidence. Real love leaves fingerprints. Real love leaves transformation. So let me speak to you, person to person, heart to heart. Here are 10 proofs that real love is real and that it still has the power to shape your destiny. 1. Real love shows up. Not when it's easy, but especially when it's not. When the world gets loud, when life gets heavy, real love steps closer, not away. 2. Real love listens. It doesn't just wait to talk. It hears your fears, your dreams, your trembles, your truths, even the ones you barely whisper. 3. Real love grows you. It doesn't keep you small. It challenges you, stretches you, calls the best version of you forward. 4. Real love forgives, not by pretending the pain didn't happen, but by choosing healing over resentment, strength over ego, connection over pride. 5. Real love is consistent. Anybody can love you on your best days. Real love stands with you on your breaking days. 6. Real love respects your boundaries. It doesn't demand pieces of you that you're not ready to give. It honors your pace, your growth, your healing. 7. Real love celebrates your wins. Not with envy, not with comparison, but with genuine pride, like your victory is also theirs. 8. Real love is patient. It knows that healing takes time and that trust is built with action, not speed. 9. Real love tells the truth. Even when it shakes the room, even when it challenges both hearts, real love chooses honesty over comfort because truth is the foundation of forever. And finally, real love endures through storms, through misunderstandings, through seasons of doubt, through changes neither of you expected. Real love doesn't quit because real love knows that the journey is worth it. But listen closely. All these proofs mean nothing unless you allow yourself to believe that you are worthy of love like this, worthy of being seen, worthy of being heard, worthy of being chosen, not for what you offer, but for who you are. Sometimes the greatest proof of real love is the moment you decide to give yourself the love you've been waiting for from others. Because when you raise your own value, when you honor your own heart, when you choose your own healing, you begin to attract people who do the same. So if no one has told you this today, hear it now. Real love exists. Real love is possible. And real love is coming because you are becoming the person who can receive it. Now, take this message, take this belief, take this fire in your heart and carry it into your next chapter. Your story isn't finished. Your love hasn't even begun. If this touched you, share it with someone who needs to remember that real love is still real. Your voice might be the spark that saves their hope today.